Should I buy or sell SPY? The report for SPY was first published on our website Friday, March 10, 2023, but this is a more detailed version. Subscribe, hit like and notification bell so you will be first to know when we post a new updated video. Since March 9, 2023, our system ranks SPY as a sell candidate, giving it a score of -4.156. In this period the stock has had a loss of -1.44%. This is an average return of -0.72% per day since first recommended. In our daily updates for SPY, our last headline reads, "Red day on Friday for SPY ETF after losing 1.44%. The SPY ETF price fell by -1.44% on the last day, Friday, March 10, 2023, from $391.56 to $385.91. During the last trading day the ETF fluctuated 2.3% from a day low at $384.32 to a day high of $393.16. The price has been going up and down for this period, and there has been a -2.64% loss for the last 2 weeks. Volume has increased on the last day by 77 million shares but on falling prices. This may be an early warning and the risk will be increased slightly over the next couple of days. In total, 187 million shares were bought and sold for approximately $72.12 billion. In the last 52 weeks, the highest price of the ETF was $462.07, and the lowest price was $348.11. Right now the price is 16.48%, or $76.16, below 52-week high, and 19.6%, or $94.07, below all-time high January 4, 2022, where the price hit $479.98. The ETF has broken the weak rising short-term trend down. This signalizes a slower rate of rising, but may also be an early warning about a possible trend shift. Due to the trend being broken, there will now be resistance at the bottom line of the trend at $392.63. A reaction back to this level may hold a second chance to get out before further falls. The current 3-month trend indicates a possible 4.82% change over the next 3 months, with a possible return between 6.64% and 15.42%. The 12-month trend indicates a -7.79% change over the next 12 months, with a possible return between -18.21% and -1.25%. This equals a price between $315.63 and $381.08 after a year. Analyst ratings and price targets. The following signals have been found for SPY. There are few to no technical positive signals at the moment. The SPY ETF holds sell signals from both short and long-term moving averages, giving a more negative forecast for the stock. Also, there is a general sell signal from the relation between the two signals where the long-term average is above the short-term average. On corrections up, there will be some resistance from the lines at $397.30 and $403.57. A breakup above any of these levels will issue buy signals. A sell signal was issued from a pivot top point on Thursday, February 2, 2023, and so far it has fallen -7.41%. Further fall is indicated until a new bottom pivot has been found. Furthermore, there is currently a sell signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, MACD. Volume rose on falling prices yesterday. This may be an early warning and the ETF should be followed more closely. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence, sell signal. Pivots, sell signal 26 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal 1 day ago. Short-term moving average, sell signal 5 days ago. Long-term moving average, sell signal 5 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages. Buy signal 11 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see short moving average, sell signal 5 days ago. The long-term moving average, sell signal 3 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages, buy signal 40 days ago. Remember to go to our page at StockInvest.us if you want to find more signals. Support, risk and stop loss for SPY. SPY finds support from accumulated volume at $383.97, and this level may hold a buying opportunity as an upwards reaction can be expected when the support is being tested. In general, the ETF tends to have very controlled movements, and with good liquidity the risk is considered very low in this stock. During the last day, the ETF moved $8.84 between high and low, or 2.3%. For the last week the ETF has had daily average volatility of 1.7%. Here are some possible good day trading levels. On an upturn, SPY meets first resistance at $391.56. If you do not hold SPY shares, you should wait for this level to be broken before placing your bet. If you already have the stock, this is the level you may want to swing trade. On a downturn, SPY finds first level of support at $383.97, and this is a natural place to put your bet if the support holds with an expectation of a rebound upwards. We hold a negative evaluation for this ETF, no stop loss set. Is SPY ETF a buy? The SPY ETF holds several negative signals, and despite the positive trend, we believe SPY will perform weakly in the next couple of days or weeks. Therefore, we hold a negative evaluation of this ETF. After analyzing the volatility and movements for the last trading day, our systems find that the current price is undervalued. For the trading on Monday 13th, we expect SPY to open up $1.89 and start trading at $387.80. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money, and that you should speak with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. You should not base your investment decision upon StockInvest.us. By using the information, you agree and are held liable for your own investment decisions. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for the ETF? Remember